In this guide, you will learn how to fix Deep Rock Galactic connection error on PC. Let's get started. First, launch your Steam and navigate to the library. Here, find the app Deep Rock. Right click on it and you're gonna find different option. Head over to the option properties, navigate to the option general, locate the launch option box and type DX11 to force the game to run on DirectX 11, which often helps fix compatibility related crashes. After that, go to install file section and click verify integrity of game files so Steam can scan and repair any corrupted or missing files. Once the process is complete, close Steam and open your browser. From there, download the required Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable files using the link provided in the description. Make sure to install both the x86 and x64 versions, as both are needed for most modern games to run properly. After installing them, restart your PC to apply the changes. Once the system boots back up, check and update your GPU drivers. If you are using NVIDIA, open the NVIDIA app, or if you are using AMD, open the AMD software and install any available updates. Outdated graphics drivers are one of the most common causes of game crashes. Finally, right-click on Steam and click on Run as Administrator, then launch the game again from your library. In most cases, these will completely fix the crashing issue in Deep Rock. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.